Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life.
Guys, after show 200.
Love yours. Thing is a life. No such thing. No such thing.
You be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this.
Anything. Chicken has. Okay, so we're rushing out now. I'm sure I've already made the intro by now, but like, yeah, girls' night out. Hey, Dion. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's litty. Lit like a motherfucking titty. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh, let me check the taxi number, guys. See you in a few. You want to sit in front of the door, monster.
Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? Go dangerous. Moving too close, we can burn. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both scared of love. Moving too close, we can burn. Is it bad that I want more? See, bust it like a toolie in your waistband. Bust it like that booty too big and you need two hands. Bust it like you catching the body and you in G-stand. Bust it like it's casual Friday and you here two dance. Oh, love, I know what's up. Can't get enough. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? You're gon' dangerous. Moving so close, we can burn. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both scared of love. Moving so close, we can burn. Is it bad that I want more? Pressure, I won't learn lesson. I want you to stretch it. Limit, want you to test it. No, I was born to grow. I got love. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We're both dangerous. Moving so close, we can burst. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both scared of love. Moving so close, we can burst. Is it bad that I want more? Show love with you. Nobody hurt me like you do. Every time you break my heart, I feel new. Every time I fall, I gotta call you. I just wanna be loved. Don't be shocked. Can't get enough. Is it bad that I want more? Want more? Is it too late for us? Go dangerous. Moving so close, we can burn. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both scared of love. Moving so close, we can burn. Is it bad that I want more? See, bust it like a toolie in your waistband. Bust it like that booty too big and you need two hands. Bust it like you catching the body and you in G-stand. Bust it like it's casual Friday and you here two dance. Oh, love.
Hey guys, so we're back home. We're just about to like freshen up, take care. Let me show you with your nyash. Yeah guys, so we're back home. We're just about to like freshen up, like take off the makeup and then sleep. So it was just something short just for us to get out of the house, you know, because we're always indoors and all that. Yeah, it It was just something simple. We just wanted to just, So now we're home. We're about to rest. Then tomorrow we're going to go out. I don't know the full plans yet, but I just know that we have to go to the African shop, and I'll take you guys along with us. And then after that, I don't know. Whatever will happen, I'll show you guys and I'll carry you guys along. But for now, we're just gonna be chilling, resting, and it's a weekend, guys. So it's more of resting, not much stuff. We were thinking of going to the club, but guys, energy nyeto вообще. I think we're just aging, guys. There's no energy for the club anymore. So yeah, anyways, that's the vibes, guys. What do you think about my hair? Like, what do you think? Like, I'm in love. I love the the style. For those of you who are in Moscow, if you want to get your hair done, tag my baby Shayla. Anyways, okay guys, so see you tomorrow. Update you guys tomorrow. Otherwise, paka завтра.
The next day.
I was showing Kira screenshots like, is this correct? Is this correct? Is this correct?
Green pepper. I have to buy green pepper.
Which will be open.
Which will be open? Should we check just
in case. This is an African shop.
okay? Once we end the one red, make sure you come and buy Afro shop. Do you have edible soil, like clay for eating?
Why do you want to eat it? Are you pregnant?
We'll find out after a month.
Because that is for pregnant women.
Yeah, but I always crave it and so far nothing.
I will be preparing for it. The minute you take it, that means your stomach is ready.
But the one for pregnant women, like it, so yeah.
Comment on appelle? Pescado. Ah, pescado. Да, прекрасно. Большой, да?
Egusi.
Вкусно. Очень.
Что не tem?
Yes, and I feel like it's really long.
It's nice, yeah? Yeah. Okay. So green rice. So this is my purchase. Yeah, take it.
to the Egusi, guys.
Yes, da. Am mult la privilegiată ne za pic sort, bota. Barane.
Guys, we bought the spinach. Guys, I'm so tired. Nie работает? Спасибо. This is the obo leaves.